Okay, let's say if you have more than one the problems to do for one homework. Okay, so in one day, if you got the 3 questions to prove or to solve, okay, then this should be the typical one. You don't need any text part, right? But most likely this way. So the first one, let's say that is exercise 234. Okay, so okay, and it's going to be better to make one line. Okay, so let's say this is the part, and this part is for next exercise. Okay, question and 2, 3, 7. Okay, and of course make one line before that. And next one is 2, 3, 14. Okay, so that's the end of document. But when you compile this one, it's not good, right? It's very difficult to figure out that. So please help me to separate this. It's a title, right? So how about make it boldface? Okay, so with a brace in front of it. My keyboard is a bit lazy today. Okay, so and with backslash BF, which is stand for boldface. Of course, make sure there is a space, so you just recognize BF is the command, right? If you put together, then BF exercise is the command, which is not defined in that. Okay, so make sure that, and with closed brace. Okay, so let me just compile that much. Then can you see that that one is a little bit more darkened, right? So with BF, okay, with that, compile it. Then we have that question and this one and that, right? Okay, so at least it's a little bit clear, you know, where is the next question start. But if you have a space between these two, it's going to be much more clear. Okay? So for that purpose, put V skip, which means the vertical skips. So it gives us extra spaces. Now you can put anything. So how about the millimeters and centimeters, inches? You can put anything and even point. Okay? So how about 7 millimeters? Okay? And the next one, we skip with 7 point. Can you see that? 7 millimeters and 7 point. It's not that big, but it's okay, right? So it's totally up to you. So how about just 5 millimeters between us, okay, for this course? Okay, it really helps me to do that, to check your homework, right? So please don't forget that. Now, let's say we finish. You finish all this homework and you wanna bring it down, right? So I have to compile it one more time, make sure that. And this is the button to download this result file as a PDF. Okay, so all you need just click, then this is the result. Okay, you see that? It's very simple, right? So all you need is just to save. Still is on in the web browser, right? So you just download, and the title should be right. You remember your name, last name, and first name, right? And start with the capital for each last name and first name, right? Then you don't need to put any extra bar or space there. And that is on September, right? So, and 10th or whatever, right? And click save. And you just send this PDF file to me through an email. Okay, okay, so that's all I want. And I wish this is good enough to preparing your homework, right? but you might need some practice to make these math equations and signs, right? So please let me know. Then I'll send you back all the kind of information to